Welcome back for a long overdue installment of Evil Spirits. Today's video is part of a Spangled Collab created by Lena at Hall Family Adventures. There are tons of channels participating in this collaboration. Some of them are making crafts, some of them are making recipes. I'm making a drink. That's what the vice is. I will link all of the channels participating below. Check them out. There are lots of great people involved with really interesting channels, fun content, so you're sure to find somebody that you love. For my contribution, I'm going to be making a cocktail I call the Patriotic Pirate. It's an homage to Mr. Smee. It's a layered cocktail that kind of reminds me of Mr. Smee's red hat and his blue and white striped shirt. It's only 4 ingredients. You're going to need lemonade, a citrus vodka, grenadine, and blue curaçao. Grenadine's a kind of tart/sweet additive that gives a lot of drinks a red or pink kind of hue. Grenadine is typically made from pomegranates. It's mostly sweet. I think the primary ingredient is high fructose corn syrup. That is going to be our first layer. And blue curaçao is made from a citrus fruit found in, you guessed it, curaçao. That is going to give us our blue color. And I knew that I was not going to be able to do this without a cat coming in. So, hello, Belly. Seriously, everywhere I am, the cats are there. I'm excited to be starting back up with this Evil Spirits series. Our house is still a disaster. With COVID, we haven't been able to really renovate anything. We're kind of holding off until prices aren't 3 to 4 times higher than normal for supplies. So we're kind of just dealing, but we've kind of gotten the hunt room all fixed up so that we can at least use it. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house. It has beveled glass looking out into the family room. It has hand-carved wood. There's actually a really cute story behind some of the flowers. The specific flowers that are carved into the wood, the wood carver asked if he could use this specific flower because it was the first thing his grandfather had taught him to carve. How sweet is that? And he had never used it anywhere before. So it's here. So that gives it a little bit of extra special meaning, I think. Hunt room as in fox hunting, not pow hunting. Named for the window treatments, which actually came with the house, but are 100% something I would have chosen because those are my barn colors. And I raise hunter ponies, so it's perfect. So let's get started on our Patriotic Pirate. Our first step is going to be to add our grenadine, and we're going to need 1 ounce of that. I should have gotten a towel because I cannot pour things without spilling, so let's see how it goes. 1 ounce of grenadine. And this seems counterintuitive, but you're going to add your grenadine and then you're going to add your ice second. Because if you added the ice first and then added the grenadine would run all over your ice. And I guess in retrospect, for a villain's cocktail, that might have been a good idea because it would look villainous and bloody. And then you add the ice. Alright, for your second layer, you're going to need to get your cocktail shaker. Fill it with ice. 3 ounces of lemonade. You could certainly make homemade lemonade, but I was not feeling that today. And mixed with your lemonade is 1 ounce of vodka of your choice. I went with citrus vodka because that kind of tied in with the ingredients I was already using. I was using lemonade and I was using blue curaçao, which I already mentioned is made from a citrus fruit, so has a mild citrusy flavor. I think to go with the grenadine, a berry vodka would be lovely. Also, a whipped vodka would probably be good. So just, you know, whatever you prefer. Or whatever you have around. You could probably even use plain vodka if you wanted. Give her a shake. Now, it is very important to pour this over the back of a spoon and to pour it slowly so that your layers don't all mix together. And I apologize if my layers mix together, I'm just leaving it. And of all of the glasses I have around here, I can't believe that I don't have any like clear highball glasses. Everything has something on it. Okay, our first 2 layers look great, but the last one's the tricky one. Our third and final ingredient, and the trickiest of all, is 1 ounce of blue curaçao. All right, let's see if I can do this without botching it up. But I would like the record to show that first 2 layers look great. I should have just made like a blue whipped cream and put that on top and called it a day. I apologize. Really want to do this left-handed because I'm left-handed. It would probably be helpful if you had something with a spout so that you can kind of limit the speed at which you're pouring it, but we're going with the jigger. Bullocks! And it's all over the place. Most of that missed. I have an idea. Don't panic. Sometimes when things don't go according to plan, you just have to improvise by pouring some lemon truly. Give us a little effervescence and maybe squeeze out a white layer. Nailed it. All is not lost. I salvaged it. Still layered. It would have tasted fine, but it wouldn't have made for as pretty of a drink. What do you say we give her a try? Oh, I like the truly. It gives it a little bubbly effervescence, and I like a bubbly drink, so. Truly saved the day. Now, if you're gonna drink this, I would stir it all up and just drink it. Then you'll get all of the flavors mixed together. But for presentation, it is fun to have it all layered. Even if the layers were not the order I anticipated them being. That is a delight. Thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for stopping by for some evil spirits. Don't forget to check down all of the channels below for our Star Spangled Collab, and I hope you find some channels that you love. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anything that you enjoy, mine or otherwise. Cheers! Good. Oh, I like that citrus. Is it weird if I just hang out here in the hunt room and talk to myself and drink? I have to drink the Truly too. Can't let that go to waste.